Howdy, we're at the gardens at Texas A&M today. Hey, it's time for fall gardening. Even though it's hot outside, this is a time when you need to get out and start your fall garden. One of the most important things we do is prepare the soil. Whether your soil is sandy or clay, you want to add compost because that helps it drain well and it adds nutrients. Next, you want to plant at the right time. In the heat of summer, July and August, we're planting things like peppers and tomatoes and eggplant because they need to have time to ripen before frost arrives. As we move into August, we start planting things like squash and cucumbers. They do really well when the days cool off and then they begin to ripen in September and October. Once we get to September, we begin planting things like broccoli and cabbage and cauliflower and kale, all those blue leaf vegetables. And then once we have a cold front or two come through, spinach and lettuce can go in, as well as some of the root vegetables. Enjoy your harvest.